Hello and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to connect and disconnect your Bluetooth connection for your touchscreen display for your Peugeot 208. Let's go. On your phone, enable Bluetooth if you want it connected to your car. I'm going to leave it on. So how do you connect Bluetooth or disconnect? So menu, press this, and now as you can see, your Bluetooth will show up on your phone. To connect or disconnect is this button here. You press it once and it will disconnect your Bluetooth connection. You press it again and it will connect. So you've got confirm, disconnect, search, delete, update, settings. To search for other Bluetooth connections, tap here. Yes. It will start searching other devices. So any other phones you got. But in my example, I've just got my one phone.